Busting myths about ultrasonic dental scalers. Did you hear ultrasonic scalers damage teeth? Or that they're painful? Let's unravel the truth. Many avoid this amazing dental tool because of outdated perceptions. Stay tuned as we bust common myths that may be holding you back from optimal oral health. Ultrasonic scalers are powerful tools used in dental care. They clean teeth with high-frequency sound vibrations and water to remove plaque, tartar, and stains. Unlike manual tools, they're faster, more efficient, and suited for tough dental cleaning tasks. The truth? Ultrasonic scalers are gentle. Their vibrations are precisely calibrated to remove harmful buildup without harming tooth enamel. In fact, they help protect your enamel by thoroughly cleaning it, contributing to healthier teeth overall. Worried about discomfort? Relax. Most patients feel at ease during ultrasonic scaling. The high-frequency vibrations are tailored to minimize discomfort, while the water spray offers a cooling effect. Say goodbye to fears of painful dental cleaning sessions. Think they're a compromise? Not true. Ultrasonic scalers go above and beyond manual tools by breaking down stubborn tartar and biofilm. Plus, they reach areas that manual tools often miss, ensuring comprehensive cleaning every time. Anyone fighting plaque, tartar, or gum disease can benefit immensely from ultrasonic scaling. It's also a lifesaver for those with braces or implants. Fast, effective, and gentle, this technology suits everyone seeking a confident smile. Have doubts about their safety? Rest assured. Research confirms their efficiency and safety for a wide range of patients. Always consult with your dentist to discover how these tools can enhance your dental care. Don't let myths hold you back from experiencing the benefits of ultrasonic scalers. Discuss with your dentist today or book your next cleaning appointment. Share the truth with friends and family. You'll be the reason for brighter, healthier smiles all around. Subscribe for watching next oral health videos.